What's up everyone, I'm back for another video, and if you are not familiar with my face right now, then allow me to introduce myself. I'm Chresia and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
And we sound like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that.
So in today's video, I'll be sharing to you guys different ways on how to curl your hair without using any electric materials such as hair straightener, curler, and etc. But before that, allow me to do my first ever shout out because this girl has been waiting for this so bad. Okay, let me do this. Okay, shout out to Miss Stephanie Aragon. Hey City, I hope you're doing well. Take care of yourself and stay safe always. Love you. Okay, now going back to our video, if you wish to know how to make those heatless curls, then make sure to keep on watching and also subscribe on my channel and hit the notification bell to keep you updated whenever I post a new video. Let's go and let's get started. So for our first heatless curls, we don't need anything or any objects. Yeah, let's just do this. Let's section our hair and place my 2 fingers in here, and yes, that's it. And roll. Reach the bottom part. Put it in the middle of your finger and pull it out. Oops. And this one, push it. Okay. So it's like a butterfly cocoon. Yeah, and we are going to do this all over our hair. So we are all done, guys. It looked like there's a lot of butterfly cocoons in my head. But yeah, we are all done. We are just going to make this stay for a couple of hours. Then after that, we are going to take this off. It's now time to remove all of this. And as you can see, there's a little bit hair. You just pull it off and voila! Oh my god! So for our next heatless curls, we need a bandana, and we are just going to fold it like this. Let's section our hair into 2, like that. So I'm going to make this stay for overnight, and I will update you tomorrow when I take this off. Good morning everyone, it's now time to take this off. is just super simple and super easy. All we need to do is to twist our hair. But first, let us section our hair into two. Okay. And then let's start here. We're going to twist it. So now as we reach the bottom part of our hair, I'm not going to tie it with an elastic band yet because I know the twist will just get untwisted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the hair on my lips and do the other side. So I'm going to leave this for like 5 to 8 hours and I'm going to update you once we are going to take this off. So it has been past 5 hours since I left this, so let's get it. So this time around, for our next heatless curls, we are going to use some socks. As you reach here, we are going to tie the sock. That's it. Okay. So now I'm gonna use my bandana to cover up my hair. So let's sleep and tomorrow we are going to take this off. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you wish to get a shout out from me in my next video, then make sure to subscribe on my channel and leave a comment down below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much guys, bye and see you on my next vlog.